Hi, very nice to see you at MCE 2015. That's the second edition of MCE. Uh, there it is. So that's the second edition. So last year, in 2014, we ran the first edition. Some of you, a lot of you, been there. I know that from the registration information. And we had one feedback that we had from last year, and the main feedback, the most important one, was that there was just too little of the content. It was just one day of workshops, one day of presentations. So 2015 edition is, as you see here, is harder, better, faster, stronger. It's 2 days of talks. It's twice as many speakers from all over the world and 30% more attendees. But it's not only about numbers. What is really important is we changed a little bit the direction or the focus of the conference. Initially, it was just for developers. That was the main audience. But this year, we think about people who are using our applications, our mobile applications that we are developing. And that's where the tagline comes from, the mobile with human touch. This is just reflecting. You can read that in the booklet that you received, but this is just reflecting the fact that we have to think about people who will be using our applications as developers, and we need to, as I am a developer, I'm an engineer, we need to talk to designers, and we need to work together with the designers. So that was the main idea behind the MCE 2015, that we will bring both developer and designers together, and they will be mixing, they will be going to the same talks, they will be changing the rooms frequently, so there is not a single track for programmers or single track for designers. They are just completely mixed. And the whole idea is that we've learned in our company that it's really important that programmers and designers work together in order to get really good products. So both programmer and designers contribute a lot to the common result. The 2015 edition of MCE is truly international, because we have people from ranging from the from US, east of US to Tokyo, Japan, and to Australia. We have one attendee from Australia, actually. And we have also attendees from Africa, from Ghana. So it's really truly international. It's about 25% of people at the conference are not from Poland. That's much better than it was last year. And we are also very deeply rooted in the community, in both community from Warsaw and from abroad. Somebody asked me yesterday why the conference is in Warsaw, and I think one of the reasons, and that was one of my answers, or one of the points in my answer, was that we have really strong community here. Warsaw I/O is just an example of that. We have lots of meetups and lots of conferences, talking together, meeting together in so-called meta meetup, and that's where we get a lot of support from our community, and we know that the community is happy to come here for the conference. And we have very similar communities all over the world. Berlin, Ukraine, and many other places. This event wouldn't be as great without our sponsors. So we have the gold sponsors. Our gold sponsors are AppMobile24, JetBrains, Ship.io, and Toke. You can meet them at the lobby, and I encourage you to go and talk to them, and you will see why in a moment as well. We have platinum sponsors, great platinum sponsors, Twilio and Vikia. And our main sponsor, this diamond sponsor, is Allegro. Allegro is a truly mobile company now. They are really investing a lot into both designing and programming on the mobile front. And they are very happy to sponsor mobile events like that. And you can talk to them. You can learn a lot from them as well. They are, they have so big scale that they have really a lot of experience that they can share with everyone. Of course, we cannot forget about the main organizer of the conference, where most volunteers and most organizers, most supporters is Polydea. So Polydea is the company that really contributes a lot to the community, and that's one of the contributions here. We contribute a lot of our time in organizing such a conference. But not only the conference, that's one of the things that will happen today. You will see that in the main lobby, there is an open source bar, because we love open source, we love sharing. So you'll be able to see and try some open source stuff. So trying to do some, you will see. You guys just go to the open source bar, which is run by Polydea employees, and you'll see really interesting stuff there. Some practical info that you were waiting for. The most important one, like you will find your way about the talks, and you will see. It's fairly easy. What is important? We are running a game during the whole conference, and there are various ways that you can get points in the game. The first point is Polydea Connect. This is a system that you can interact with using your badges. And you can easily exchange contacts in several places. You can talk to the sponsors. You can provide your contact to the sponsors via your badge, just touching the sensor with the badge. You can make selfie if you wish. Yeah, that's it. It's quite cool. You try it out. There are several stations in the lobby. There will be quizzes. Today at 2 p.m. there will be 4 quizzes run in 4 rooms: design, Android, iOS, and hardware. So anyone can find anything for himself or herself, and you can get points for that as well. And throughout the whole conference, you have bingo. You should get this card, bingo card, and there are number of things that you can get while you are at the conference to get some points. And there are beer coupons as well for the after party or intra party, actually, which will happen today in the cinema. We start in the cinema. I don't know where it ends up, but we start in the cinema definitely after the last talk. So that's about it. Enjoy, have fun. And now let me introduce the host of this room, Matt. Matt will be hosting this room today, and he will introduce the speakers that are next.
Hi everybody, my name is Matt, and I will be host for the session. Thanks, Jarek.